the grandbabies and made some
What?
cookies.
What?
So I'm talking. I'm talking to the video.
You making a video?
Yes, I am.
Making a video.
And saying what I did today.
You don't tell me what you do.
We went to the park with the kids. We went to the park with the kids. We made cookies, me and Remington. Now we're going to get pizza so they can eat. Y'all want to say hi?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Say what's up, you two?
Love YouTube. What's up, YouTube?
And that's my husband. The love of my life.
What?
And these are the other loves of my life. Who's my favorite?
Me.
Landon, he said he's my favorite. You want to correct him?
Both. I am.
Huh?
I am.
Uh-huh.
Both of us.
I ain't never been to that
Hmm? Mellow mushroom. I know we never been to mellow mushroom. He's seen Autobot. We'll have to go there one night with him. Try it out. There's CC's. Oh, we're not going there. There's an artesian piece. No, that's not artesian pizza place. That was the coolest. Taz? I don't know. It might be. It might be closed. It shouldn't be. Yeah. Y'all hear these boys? Their mom's on a faith walk. So, they with us today. They go back tomorrow. So, y'all see my glasses are dark. So, today was a good day. Still breezy outside. So, won't be long. Making this short little film. Oh, and for the ones that want to order, my website's going to be up in 2 days because you have to do your website update every month. So my month was today to pay my website, and it has to wait till Monday. So when Monday comes, I'll get it updated, and then everybody can start ordering. So we'll go from there. But y'all still go and take a look at it. Get with me. Give me your pre-orders, and we'll go from there. All right. Bye.